patrocinados. Va, a ver qué tal. Sí, siento que no alcanzo bien los pedales. Mira cómo le muevo con la puntita.
Yo creo que definitivamente
voy a tratar de agarrarle las primeras vueltas a ver qué tal.
According to the American Psychiatric Association, it affects roughly 8% of children and 2% of adults. Only affecting which people are perceived as wrong.
One time for the praying on my downfall, 2 times for the bitches in the South Shore, 3 times for the days on the block getting chased by the cops like a motherfucking outlaw, 4 times for the days that were all bad, 5 times for the bitches who ain't called back, 6 times for the kids like me who got ADHD.
They need a couple hearses. Double homicide, kill the beat and a verse. Everybody living on the surface, but we came from the underground. Yeah, we deserve it. Jesus, we put the motherfuckers on the beat, kill them all, kill them all. Jesus was lying over shit that never made it in the first place. Lying in the street with the beats. Jesus when we leave it in the past, let it heal like a gas when enough time passes. Kinda like John with bars like a convict. Fuck around and you don't wanna start shit. Come with that hot shit, all they do is fuck shit. You can never stop it, boy, just high end drunk on that AC vision. All these other motherfuckers full of vision, and I murder with precision all over your television. I'm doing broke, no number one in English, no division. Never listen to big reason, that's the reason like ISIS. Ain't no time to think of who the nicest. It's logic, it's obvious, it's just the body. I'm body, they shit. I'm Regis, Kelly, you pussy. Me, I'm Louis Vuitton. You ain't talking with your mom. On the internet still, you know my last moves. I just said the steak back in Mastro's. My God, me and Jordan need a couple hearses. Double homicide, kill the beat and a verse. Everybody living on the surface, but we came from the underground. Yeah, we deserve it. Start from the middle, killing them with the middle, and then 5 now. In the middle, when they get in this thing, now we do the same thing, and then we feel the game going. The illest deliverance, it's all the same shit. Rap back, clap back on that gang shit. Do it for the love of rap, not for the same shit. One time for the Grammy that I never